All right. For the most part, are you guys done now? Ooh. You guys are group 1, right? 2. 2. Let's see. Oh, wrong page. Ooh. Ooh. Something's terribly wrong with you guys.
We're trying to fix it.
It's not lining up for some
What's going on with your margins?
I don't know. That's what I was trying to fix. I didn't mean indent. I meant margins.
Yeah. So go to File, Page Setup. Where is that page setup? File, Page Setup. It's supposed to be below that. Am I not seeing it?
I got it. Hang on. There's a problem.
Like indenting problems. You guys have marginal problems.
This one. Okay.
Oh.
Why is it so small? Wait.
Shrinking. What? I'm shrinking.
I am so. What is going on? Why does it look so small?
Oh boy. Oy, oy, oy. Oh boy. Okay. I think we're done. I think you guys have a headache. You guys good? Yeah. Okay, good. Didn't I just stop? So I can just show you. Yeah. Okay. I was like, just show us, please. Holy smokes. Are you guys just messing it up for fun now? It's just like really bad. I don't know
what. So good.
That's so crazy. Okay. All right. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. Where's the other? Okay, you guys ready? It's okay. We're just gonna. So again, this is what I've given you. I should call it the bird nest. That's what I'm gonna call it. Bird nest. I gave you a bird nest, and now you have to untangle it, right? That's what I gave you guys, right? Because you're not handing me that reel and rod with all the bird nests all over the place. You're gonna fix your own bird nest. Okay, so I just grade the bird nest. So here we go. I'm gonna just never mind it already, Lily. I know you're like, oh my gosh, it's bad. Just leave it. Okay, so I'm just gonna share. Oh my gosh, I can't share. I just want to share up to my screen share for video. No. Oh, how do I do this? I don't want to do it like that. Okay, whatever. Let me just put that there. Hang on, I gotta do something first. Just put it back in there. Okay. So let's just make this easy. Okay. Screen share. Blam. Okay, so back when we used to all watch Sesame Street, right? One doesn't look like the other, right? And we're gonna just figure out what's going on here. So this is what your works cited page is supposed to look like. Okay, let's just note, this is called a hanging indent right here. You see that? Where the first line touches the margin on the left. You see that? And then everything else below is tucked underneath. Did you see that? You see that? Right there. I'm gonna make this bigger. There. You see right here, look at Allen. You see Allen? So the first line touches the margin, then everything else is scooted in. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Is that okay? Because this will give you an MLA format headache like you wouldn't believe. So I'm just gonna look over here. Okay, whose one is this? Oof. Oh, look, hey! Whose one is that? Hey, is it in alphabetical order? D, H, A, W, I mean, whatever. They're like, okay. So, this is what we're going to do. Go here. Okay, I'm going to show you something really easy. Tips and tricks by Miss Kabatu. So when we look over here, we're just going to choose a page on a website because that's basically what it is. And what we're going to do is we're going to just copy like this. You see that? I just copied it. And then I'm going to go back to my works cited page and I'm just going to do that. Okay. And the reason why I'm going to do that is that I can just double check, right? I can double check. Okay, that's supposed to be like that. That's supposed to be like that. Awesome. See that? Okay. Now, couple of things. Sometimes there's no author. What happens if there's no author? Anybody know? Okay, take a guess. What happens if there's no author?
You just don't write the authors.
Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, you can't just make something up, right? You can't like put your name or something. So whatever, if like you're missing the author's name because it's a publication from like a organization, then you'll probably just start with whatever is requested of next. Make sense? And then you go alphabetical order according to whatever comes next. Okay. Sometimes you have an article that says like 10 tips on how to be awesome, right? And it's the number 10. Where do you put that in the alphabetical order? Okay, so easiest way to remember that is if 10 starts with the number, the letter T as in 10 as the word of the number 10, T, it goes in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Okay, stop texting each other. I know you're texting each other. Okay, so let's look. The other thing, okay, is this. You see right here, after bio advanced, you see that first works cited? You see that? Okay, you see how there's that space? Anybody super OCD? Okay, good. So you gotta figure out, okay, after, let's look, after a punctuation mark, like let's say here, press the space button. Okay, and you see how it looks better like that? Okay, it fills in. That's what you would do, but you can only do it after a punctuation. Okay, you see that? So if you look though, like let's say I maybe did this, then nothing happens, you see? So you have to kind of eyeball it. And if it doesn't work, just hit the undo button. Okay, next thing, notice how there's this access date, right? Do you see it on your others? No. Okay, so what you would do is you have to add it at the end like that. Okay, and then it would be 12 NOV period, and then 2020. Okay, you have to have the date of access. Why is that important? Because things on the internet get updated, and so you have to have that date of access. Okay, remember that. One up. Mali, go one up. No, wrong way. The other way. They're at the period. There we go. And then the other one. Okay, good. Oh, put a space after the period. Okay, very good. Okay, well, let's look. You see how works cited is not italicized. Okay, so when you look at this, don't italicize. Okay, let me see this one. Oh, okay. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one is italicized. Let's see. Okay, other than that, whose one is this? Where's group one? Who's group one? Oh, okay. Pretty good. This looks good. Now, what you need to do is capitalize the other S in the title. Yeah, the S in the title. Okay, and you're good to go. Good. So notice no commas in the date, right? In the heading, right? In the header, last name space, page number. Okay. Notice, right? I want you guys to notice, right? If I'm going to click on the header, if you just type in 1 like that, okay, what happens is, hang on. How come it's not working now? Oh, you guys locked it. Ah, you suckers. Okay, whatever. Oh, no. Oh, I see what you guys did. No, that's wrong. You guys, you're driving me crazy. Okay, everybody see this, right? I appreciate that, but you got to take this out of the header. You see, this is the header right here. You got to take it out because that's not part of the header, okay? Stop that. Okay, then what you do is, oh my gosh, what am I doing? What's going on here? What is going on? Who's messing with me? Okay, now this needs to go here on the first page. Everybody saw that, right? I like that you guys were critical problem solvers, but this is how you do it. Oh my gosh, don't make me sing this song again. Okay, so the heading belongs on page 1, not in the header. You guys are good though. You guys are really good about and then this, remember, is not in italics. Ooh, okay. All right, looking good. Very good. Let's move this one. Okay, there. Boom. Ay. Yeah, this one too. There. Okay, now we're good. You see this works cited page? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. All right. The last part. What time is it? Oh, perfect. I'm going to partner you guys up. Actually, no, we're going to go into groups of 3. Okay, let's go into Canvas. Okay, let's go down to the peer editing activity. This really should take 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to reorganize you guys into groups and then you're going to peer edit. So go ahead and click on the peer editing sheet. Okay, very good. At the top of your peer editing sheet, make sure you guys make your own copy. And at the top, it says peer revision checklist for essay. And then after that on the line, just go ahead and delete part of this line in the middle and then type your name in it. Type your name. So this is going to be your name. We're going to take out the author's name right there. Okay. Type in your name. So last class, I wasn't explicit enough, but I'm going to be explicit for you guys. So this is your checklist you're going to give to your other members in your group, right? You're going to give your checklist with your copy of your second draft to the people in your group. Make sense? So the reason why there's 3 of you in each group is that one of your classmates will do the peer editing for the first task, and then the other one will do the peer editing for the second task. You see that? Okay. You see below? So don't forget to write your name down here. So if you're looking at your other classmates' paper, you use their peer editing sheet. Everybody clear on that? You're not writing on your own peer editing sheet because that wouldn't be called peer editing. It would be called something else. Okay, everybody clear on that? So you guys have your own copies, you have your own names on it. Okay, let's open up your second drafts, and then we need to make the shared settings to anyone with the link can comment, because we don't want other people deleting our stuffs. When you're done, give me a thumbs up so I can at least put you guys into groups. Okay, good. Then when I break you guys up into your groups, then you're going to copy and paste the links into the chat box so that everybody has it. Okay, got it?
Our essay or our this review sheet?
Both, right? You need the peer review checklist and then the whatever they're looking at. Okay. Alrighty. So we have 10 more minutes left of class. It should take you about 10 minutes to kind of look over. That's why the tasks are broken up. Okay. And then if we don't finish, what I can do tomorrow is open up Zoom. Maybe just for, I think you guys would need like maybe another 15 minutes or so to finish up the peer editing. Okay, so I'll open that up tomorrow at 11:40. Okay, questions on what we're doing? I'm gonna stop my share so I can create your box, and then we're gonna work all the way up to 110. Okay, so all right. Group, what you can just see who's in your group, okay? And then put your names in onto each other's checklists. Go. Okay, anybody have questions? I know it's kind of confusing, but we would be doing this normally in class, right? And then we'd have a printout of our actual drafts and we would just switch it around the table. Okay. Yep. Yep. Put both of your documents in the link in the chat. Okay.
You gotta change the accent.
Maybe like a minute before the end of class at 1:09, we'll come back and I'll close class, okay? And then if whatever you're on, if you guys want to finish the revision tonight for homework for each other, so don't close out the links or the document so that you have it. And then if you want to do it that way, that's fine. If you guys want to join back up tomorrow, that's fine as well. So either way, what you guys want to do, you decide, okay? Yes. Oh,
Is there gonna be another person?
where did he go?
Oh,
can you guys do me a big favor? Just peer review each other's work, and then I'll work with him, okay?
So we do both the kind.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, the kinds. Yeah.
And then, okay, wait, it's like, I'm kind of confused. So we share our checklist with each other.
Yes, and your
Then
essay.
you write on, like, I'll write on Malia's.
Yes. That's why her name's at the top, and your name goes into editor's name. You see that
Okay.
blank right there?
And I do that for both
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
number 1 and number 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
because normally there would be 3 of you guys in a group. And then we'll come back in like 109. If you guys want to like finish this tonight for homework, because you guys can just look at this without being online together. If not, then I'm just going to open up Zoom tomorrow if you guys want to meet again, and then you guys have questions. Okay, so either way you guys want to decide, it's fine.
And then Malia, can you just give me access to the checklist one?
Oh, you don't have access?
Yeah, I had to like request it and stuff.
Oh, okay. Can you share or put your stuff in the chat too?
I shared it with you. Okay, yeah, I should put it.
You guys are so nice to each other. It's really good.
Okay, you should have access.
I think for the checklist one, it can be anyone with the link in edit, and then for the draft, it's anyone with the link in comment because I can't write my
Yeah.
name in it.
You can either just make it in the comments or something, or either way. Yeah, I think the editing one for the checklist is okay. Then you
Okay.
can type on it. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's
Mhm.
being weird. I got scared.
A Google Doc scared you. First it came for the Google Doc. I did not say anything because I like math better. No, just. How's it going? Does anybody have questions? Can you guys,
Sorry.
can you set your guys' share settings for the peer editing checklist to anyone with the link can edit so that you can write your name on? That will be helpful. Okay, and then McKenna, did you have a question?
If we don't finish peer reviewing their
Mhm.
doctor in this class, are we allowed to do it for tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna open up the chat. I'll open up Zoom just to double check if you need more time. If not, like you really don't need to be in Zoom to just look over somebody else's paper. Just don't close it out.
Okay.
Yeah, does that make sense? I don't know what you guys want to do, but I mean, either way, it's real flexible, okay? Right, I'm gonna stop the breakout room so I can close class. Where did Kailoa go? I just saw him. Oh no. Okay. Okay, guys, let's close out class. So just as a reminder, work on your peer revisions. You really don't have to be face-to-face to do those peer revisions. So you could potentially just do them tonight for homework. I thought I was on mute, sorry. And then work on that draft for your poem. I can't wait. If you guys need help with your poems tomorrow, or if you want to throw some ideas around tomorrow as well, I'll be around. Okay, because I'm excited to see what you guys are going to come up with. Okay, there's other poems like that in that Alawiwi book too. I think there's like maybe 2 other poems from last year's freshmen that you would be really interested in reading. Okay, so you got to look for them. Anyway, what a fun class. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow if you guys need. If not, all good. Okay, take care. Bye.